Hi garden friends, welcome to our garden. Last month I harvested some cauliflower and we enjoyed it very much. I also harvested quite a bit of broccoli, and that broccoli has been, we ate some of it and then the rest has been kind of waiting for me to make some soup, and I've had it in the refrigerator. It kept very well in the refrigerator, so today I'm going to make a broccoli cheese soup. I'm using a recipe from Deb at Smitten Kitchen. I'll leave a link below. It's a broccoli cheddar soup, and so like I said, I had this broccoli still left over in the refrigerator, and it was so fresh when I harvested it, and it is still in really good shape after spending a couple of weeks in the refrigerator. And I'm going to chop it up. After I made my broth and cream base, I put this broccoli into the soup to cook. And I just wanted to take you outside to show you the broccoli plants where I harvested the broccoli. I was able to get one more little branch of broccoli off of here today as well. So I don't know if these broccoli plants will give us any more broccoli, but here they are. It's a nice winter vegetable. The recipe also includes one carrot that I chopped up really well before adding it to the soup. We enjoyed our broccoli cheese soup with some salad from the garden, some lettuce from the garden as well, and some bread, a simple dinner, and we really enjoy having simple meals from our garden. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.